In this video, I will talk about how to use the map tools on the Ohio Opportunity Index Tableau. First, if you hover over the map, a toolbar appears on the left. The plus sign allows you to zoom into the map. The minus sign allows you to zoom out of the map. You can also zoom in or zoom out using multiple keyboard shortcuts. If you double-click, you will zoom in. If you press Shift and then double-click, you will zoom out. You can also use a mouse or a trackpad. If you use the scroll wheel on a mouse, one direction will zoom in and one direction will zoom out. On a trackpad, if you swipe in one direction, it will zoom in. For me, that direction is to the right. And if you swipe in the other direction, it will zoom out. The button that looks like a house returns the map to the original view. When you hover over this arrow, additional tools appear. The button that looks like a rectangle with a magnifying glass allows you to do a custom zoom, where you zoom in to where you click. The crossed arrows allow you to pan. Now I can move the map back and forth. You can also pan by pressing the Shift key and then clicking on the map, if you have not selected this function. The rectangle, the circle, and the lasso tool all allow you to select multiple census tracts. If we use the rectangle, we select all of the census tracts in a rectangle or square that we draw. Now all of those census tracts appear in the table, in the distribution plot, and in the score plot. We can do the same thing with the circle tool and the lasso tool. The circle tool allows us to make a circular selection. Finally, the lasso tool allows us to make a selection of whatever shape we would like to draw. Now I will show you how to select census tracts. If you have a Mac, you can press the Command key on the keyboard, and on a PC you will press the Control key on the keyboard. Then you click on multiple tracts that you would like to compare. I will choose 3 tracts that all have different domain scores. Now we see these 3 different tracts on the table, on the distribution plot, and on the score plot. There are other ways to select multiple tracts using the table. Now I can go to a specific county and select multiple tracts in that county. What I will do is I will use the Command or Control key to select more than one. You can also press Shift and select a few in a row. Now those are all of the different ways to use the map in the Opportunity Index Tableau.